All right, let's talk about a single arm row, okay? Getting into this back, opening up this chest and shoulder, and getting strong back behind you. It can be a dumbbell, it can be a kettlebell, anything heavy you can grab onto. You're gonna go, if I'm rowing with my right side, I'm gonna go left foot forward, right hand forward. Big step back. I'm looking for this torso to be almost parallel to the ground, okay? So if you don't have a box, you can take this forearm on your knee. If you have a box, you can come here. If the box is too high, you may come down to your elbow. So find that angle so you're mostly parallel to the ground, weights hanging underneath you. So, and then we're just pulling that shoulder open. Keep the shoulder down away from the ear. Think of this shoulder blade sliding back behind you and kind of pulling down into your back, okay? So now we've got the row, you grab your weight and pull, stick it, pause, control back down, let it hang, row again, okay? Nice strong row. Again, open chest and shoulder up. Make sure we're not shrugging into that row, but we're pulling that shoulder back, pulling that shoulder back, pulling it back into your back, keeping that shoulder down, okay? Get both sides, obviously. You've got a left and a right. Get stronger on the back side. What we train what you can't see. So get after it, have fun with it. We'll see you soon.